So as you can see, I have received the email from my other account, and it's basically as dramatic as it looks like. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a confidential email on Gmail. So this is something surprising even to me, and this is something that I have not discovered until only a few days ago. While I was researching and I was trying to go through my emails, I found out that there's a tool where you can send confidential emails to other people. And what does this do is that it makes sure that no one else but that person that you're sending this to will be the only one that will see this email. And I'm gonna show you what I mean later on. So first of all, let's write an email here. I can just do anything random here. Hey, this is something very important. The lifeline of our nation relies on it. Okay, I think that's getting way too over dramatic. And another thing that I would like to do just to show what this confidential email can do is I'm gonna add an attachment here. For example, this attachment of my story, which is a poem, or the title of my story is called a poem, and I'm sending this to myself. So this is my Gmail, and we're gonna be going to that later on once we're done with this one. So in order to create a confidential email, what you need to do is once you're done with writing your email, you go here to this lock icon and click on toggle confidential mode. And now we will see two options on this tool. Now we have the ability to set an expiration date for this email, and it's basically a self-destruction module. So if you're gonna set this to expires in 1 week, that means that once August 7th comes along, this email will automatically delete itself. And in the second section here, we have the require passcode, which means that if we toggle the SMS passcode, even the user themselves won't be able to use or open the email without getting or writing down the passcode that Gmail will send to them. Because if you read here, it says that all passcodes will be generated by Google. So it's similar to the passcodes that you will see when you're trying to log in into a new PC and Google asks you, hey, is this you? If it is you, then you can use this passcode. So I'm just gonna set this to no SMS passcode for now, and let's go click save. And what we will now see is that there's this new section that shows that this content now expires at August 7th, 2024. And now our email is covered in blue for confidential. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, and print or download this email. And I'm going to show you what this is trying to say once we get over to the other account. So let's send this for now. And now it says that the message is sent. And now let's switch over to my other Gmail account. So as you can see, I have received the email from my other account, and it's basically as dramatic as it looks like. So even here, it looks like the content expires. Yeah, the content expires section still appears, obviously. So, and now, if we go here, what? So this is very amazing. I think this is really amazing and surprising that even if you try to click on any of the text here, you actually can't. You can't share any of the text that you have here on the email. So you can copy it and you can paste it anywhere, and it just stays with you. And like I said, like we talked about, it will disappear later on in the week. So if we open this story here that I've written, so it's still loading. Okay, so now that we have it here, if we head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the triple dots here, we don't have the ability to download this file. So it just stays in the email again. So basically, that's it. It's very confidential, and everything that you have written here will just disappear within the time that you have set. For me, it's within a week, so it's going to be disappearing anytime soon. So I'm not going to delete this at all. Maybe this is going to cause some change in the timeline for some reason. I don't know. It's giving me some Steins Gate vibes. I don't know if you get what I mean, but that's it. That is how you can create a confidential email on Gmail. Hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you had fun, because I did. Hello guys, once again this is Kim and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.